So law of cosines. Example number 1. Find the missing sides of the triangle ABC if ABC is equal to 30 degree and AB is equal to 4.6 centimeter and BC is equal to 9.3 centimeter. So we have the solution of AB. We have the value of 4.6 and BC we have the value of 9.3 centimeters. So let's find the value of B. So the formula we have B squared is equal to E squared times plus C squared minus 2EC cos of B. So distribute the value. So the value of A, which is 9.3 squared, plus the value of C, which is 4.6 squared, minus 2 the value of A, which is 9.3 times the value of C, 4.6 times the cos of 30 degree. So squared the 9.3, which is 86.49, and the square of 4.6, which is 21.16, minus, so 2, distribute the 2, which is 2 times 9.3 times 2 times 4.6, which is, and times the 9.3 and 4.16 times by 2, so 85.56, and the cos of 30 degree, which is the square root of 3 over 2. So let's proceed. 86.49 plus 21.16, which, and minus 85.56 times the square root of 3 over 2, which is 107.65, minus 85.56 times the square root of 3 over 2, which is 74.10. So B squared is equal to 107.65 minus 74.10, which is 33.55. So the square root of 33.55 and the square root of B squared. So B is equal to the square root of 33, which is 5.79 centimeter. So the missing value of B, which is 5.79 centimeter. Example number 2. We have solved the triangle PQR in which P is equal to 6.5 centimeter and Q is equal to 7.4 centimeter and the angle of R is equal to 58.58 degree. So the solution. Find the R value. So the formula, we have R squared minus R squared is equal to P squared plus Q squared minus 2 PQ and the cos of R. So let's distribute the value. So well, to the value of P, which is 6.5 squared plus the value of Q, which is 7.4 squared minus 2 the value of P, 6.5 times the value of Q, which is 7.4 times cos of the value of R, which is 58 degree. So the square root of 6.5, which is 42.25 plus the square root of 7.4, which is 54.76. So minus 2 minus 2 times 6.5 times 7.4, which is 96.2. Then the cos of 58, which is 0.53. So R squared, so 42.25 plus 54.76, which is 97.01 minus 96.2 times 0.53, which is 50.99. So R squared is equal to 97.01 minus 50.99, which is 46.02. So square root, then square root. So R is equal to 6.78 centimeter. So the value here, which is 6.78 centimeter. So the final answer. Example number 3. So solve the triangle XYZ in which x is equal to 1.4 centimeter and y is equal to 1.6 centimeter and the angle of z is equal to 10 degree. So solution. Find the value of z. So formula of z squared is equal to x squared plus y squared minus 2xy cos of z. So distribute the value. Z squared times the value of x, which is 1.4 squared, plus the value of y is 1.6 squared, minus 2 the value of x, which is 1.4, times the value of y, which is 1.6, and the cos of 10 degree. So square root of 1.4, which is 1.96. So square root of 1.6, which is 2.56, minus the 2 times 1.4 times 1.6, which is 4.48, and the cos of 10, which is 0.98. So 1.96 plus 2.56, which is 4.56, minus 4.58 times 0.98, which is 4.39. So 4.56 minus 4.39, which is 0.13, z squared. So square root the z, square root the 0.13, which is the value of z is equal to 0.36 centimeter. So the value of z, which is 0.36 centimeter.